Welcome back, friends. I am Jnaneshwar Narayankar sir from Sri Balaji Madhyamik Vidyalaya and Junior College, Ichalkaranji. Friends, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Study with Jnaneshwar Narayankar sir. Friends, today we are going to learn the lesson The House Builder. In Marathi, Gavandi. Friends, this is a story of a mason who worked for a building contractor who made great efforts to do his work perfection. विद्यार्थी मित्र हो, आज आपण द हाऊस बिल्डर म्हणजेच मेसन म्हणजेच गवंडी हा धडा अभ्यासणार आहोत. एका इमारत कंत्राटदाराकडे काम करणाऱ्या एका गवंड्याची ही गोष्ट आहे. आपले काम अतिशय उत्कृष्ट आणि बिनचूक व्हावे यासाठी तो गवंडी नेहमी प्रयत्न करत असतो. ओके फ्रेंड्स, जस्ट हॅव अ ग्लान्स ॲट द न्यू वर्ड्स. मेसन मीन्स वन हू बिल्ड्स विथ स्टोन, ब्रिक्स, सिमेंट एक्सेट्रा. इन मराठी गवंडी किंवा बांधकाम करणारा. स्ट्रो मीन्स मेड ग्रेट एफर्ट्स एक्सेट्रा मीन्स खूप प्रयत्न केले किंवा झटणे. डेडिकेशन मीन्स कमिटेड टू टास्क और पर्पज. निष्ठा, समर्पण. झील मीन्स ग्रेट एंथुझियाझम एंड एनर्जी इन वन्स एफर्ट्स. इन मराठी उत्साह. डिलिजन्स मीन्स कॉन्स्टंट केअरफुल एफर्ट्स, मेहनत. पर्सिस्टन्स मीन्स कंटिन्युअस एफर्ट्स, जिद्द, चिकाटी, सातत्य. रिकॉम्पेन्स्ड मीन्स मनी गिवन फॉर वर्क डन, परतफेड किंवा एखादी भरपाई केली. डिसहार्टन्ड मीन्स फेल्ट डिसअपॉइंटेड, ना उमेद झाला, नाराज झाला. टू नो अवेल मीन्स ऑफ नो यूज. इन मराठी व्यर्थ, निरुपयोगी. रिलक्टन्स मीन्स अनविलिंगनेस, नाखुशी. लीगल मीन्स कनेक्टेड टू लॉ, कायद्याचा, कायदेशीर. बीमिंग मीन्स स्माइलिंग विथ ग्रेट जॉय, आनंदाने, हसत किंवा उत्साहात. ओके फ्रेंड्स, वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द लेसन. आय एम गोइंग टू रीड द लेसन. द हाऊस बिल्डर मीन्स गवंडी. दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ मेसन who worked for a building contractor. The mason always strove to do his work to perfection. As soon as a house had been designed by the architect and details finalized by the engineer, the contractor would send for the mason and leave the responsibility of building the house to him. The mason would then, without wasting any time, start his work. He would take great interest in his work of building and do it with full dedication. He made sure that he used the best construction material of high quality. The measurements of the walls, doorways, arches, etc. were perfect, and he gave an excellent and appealing finish to whatever he built. The owners of the new houses built would be more than satisfied with the construction. Friends, this is a story of a mason who works for a building contractor. The mason always makes great efforts. When the architects design a house and the engineer finalize the details, the contractor leaves the responsibility to the mason of the building the house. Then the mason starts his work without wasting any time. He builds the houses by taking interest with full dedication. He uses the best construction material of high quality. He gives finishing touch excellently and perfectly. The owners of the new houses feel satisfied with the construction. मित्रांनो, एका इमारत कंत्राटदाराकडे काम करणाऱ्या एका गवंड्याची ही गोष्ट आहे. आपले काम अत्यंत चांगले व्हावे यासाठी तो गवंडी सतत प्रयत्न करत असतो. वास्तुविशारदाने व अभियंत्याने आराखडा व इतर कामे पूर्ण केल्याबरोबर कंत्राटदार गवंड्याला बोलावतो आणि घर बांधण्याची जबाबदारी त्याच्यावर सोपवतो. त्यानंतर तो वेळ न दडवता आपले काम आवडीने आणि मन लावून तो गवंडी पूर्ण करतो. बांधकामासाठी लागणारी सामग्री, मापे इत्यादीची काळजी तो घेतो. त्यामुळे नव्या घर मालकांना बांधकामाच्या गुणवत्तेमुळे अपेक्षेपेक्षाही अधिक समाधान मिळते. बिकॉज ऑफ द झील, diligence, loyalty and persistence that he displayed in his work, the mason was in great demand and fetched good business to his contractor. Subsequently, the contractor recompensed the mason handsomely with a very good salary. He could meet the needs of his family sufficiently without any scarcity. Friends, because of his great enthusiasm and energy in his works, the contractor always gives work to the mason. The contractor gives him a good salary to the mason for his excellent and honest work. मित्रांनो, कामाविषयीचा उत्साह, मेहनत व सातत्य यामुळे त्या गवंड्याला खूप मागणी असते. कंत्राटदाराचा व्यवसायही तेजीत असतो. त्यामुळे तो गवंड्याला उत्तम मोबदला देत असतो. गवंडी आपल्या कुटुंबाच्या सर्व गरजा कोणतीही चणचण न भासता भागवत असतो. द नेक्स्ट पॅराग्राफ्स. द मेसन thus continued working with great devotion for many years till he became a grandfather. Then he decided that it was time to retire and spend time playing with his grandchildren. Being a firm-minded person, he informed his contractor of his decision to retire from house building. The contractor was very disheartened to lose such an excellent workman and urged the mason to continue his job, but to no avail. The mason had made up his mind and refused to carry on. Finally, the contractor convinced the mason to build one last house on a beautiful and convenient site. As a special favor, the mason agreed to do so with great reluctance, not too happily either. Friends, the mason works with great devotion for many years till he becomes a grandfather. Now he decides to retire and spends time playing with his grandchildren. He informs about his retirement to the contractor, but the contractor feels disappointed as he loses such an excellent workman. He requests the mason to continue his work, but the mason refuses to continue. At last, the contractor convinces the mason to build one last house on a beautiful site, and the mason agrees to do so with unwillingness. मित्रांनो, तो गवंडी अगदी आजोबा होईपर्यंत वर्षानुवर्षे आपले काम एकनिष्ठपणे करत असतो. या कामातून आता निवृत्त व्हावे, त्याचबरोबर निवृत्त होऊन नातवंडासोबत खेळण्यात मन रमवावे असा तो विचार करतो. मात्र हा निर्णय तो कंत्राटदाराला सांगितल्याबरोबर इतका चांगला गवंडी आपण गमावणार या विचाराने तो कंत्राटदार निराश झालेला असतो. गवंड्याने मात्र काम सोडू नये म्हणून तो कंत्राटदार खूप प्रयत्न करतो, परंतु गवंडी मात्र आपल्या मतावर ठाम असतो. शेवटी कंत्राटदाराने एक खास विनंती म्हणून एक सुंदर आणि सोयीच्या ठिकाणी शेवटचे घर बांधण्यासाठी गवंड्याला तयार करतो व शेवटी गवंडी ही अगदी नाखुशीने तयार होतो. द नेक्स्ट पॅराग्राफ्स. द कन्स्ट्रक्शन स्टार्टेड. इट वॉज अ मोस्ट ब्युटिफुली डिझाइन्ड हाऊस टू बी built at a sought after location. However, the mason could not put his mind and heart in his work. He did his work very roughly and carelessly, without interest or dedication. Even the building material used was of low quality, but he did not care. He simply wanted to complete the job in haste and finally retire. The house was ready earlier than expected. Very roughly made structures, weak walls, poor finish, and did not look as good as at all as designed. Yet the mason did not care. He informed the contractor that the house was ready and he was waiting to hand over its keys to him. Friends, the mason starts the construction. The design was the most beautiful, but the mason doesn't work happily. He doesn't put his mind and heart in his work. He does his work very roughly and carelessly, without interest and dedication. He uses low quality material. He doesn't care and wants to complete the job in hurry. He completes the house earlier than expected. Very roughly made structures, weak walls, poor finish, and doesn't look as good at all as designed. The mason doesn't care and informs the contractor that the house is ready and he waits to hand over its keys to him. मित्रांनो, आराखड्याप्रमाणे बांधकाम सुरू होते, परंतु गवंडी मात्र मन लावून ते बांधकाम करत नाही. अतिशय ओबडधोबडपणे, निष्काळजीपणे तो ते काम करतो. बांधकामासाठी निकृष्ट साहित्य असूनही तो त्याकडे दुर्लक्ष करतो. ते काम कसे तरी पूर्ण करून त्याला निवृत्त व्हायचे असते. अपेक्षेपेक्षा अगोदरच घर पूर्ण होते. दिसायला चांगले नसलेले, ओबडधोबड रचना, कमकुवत भिंती असलेले, सफाईदार बांधकाम नसलेले असे घर तो बनवतो. तरीही तो त्याची अजिबात फिकीर करत नाही. घर पूर्ण झाल्यावर तो कंत्राटदाराला किल्ली ताब्यात देण्यासाठी बोलावतो. द लास्ट पॅराग्राफ. द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर अराइव्ड ॲट द साइट. He had a file of legal documents in his hand. The mason handed over the new house keys to him, but the contractor did not step forward to enter the house to see it. Instead, with a broad smile, he handed over the file along with the house keys to the mason and said, beaming happy tone, "These are the ownership documents of this new house in your name. The house is yours. I had planned it as a gift for you." Friends, the contractor arrives at the site having a file of legal documents in his hand. The mason hands over the keys of the new houses to him, but the contractor doesn't step forward to enter the house to see it. The contractor hands over the file along with the house keys to the mason happily. He says that these are the ownership documents of this new house in your name. The house is yours. I have planned it as a gift for you. मित्रांनो, तो कंत्राटदार येतो. त्याच्या हातात एक फाईल व कायदेशीर कागदपत्रे असतात. तो गवंडी त्याच्याकडे घराच्या चाव्या देतो, पण तो कंत्राटदार मात्र घर पाहायला पुढे येत नाही. तो उलट हसऱ्या चेहऱ्याने, आनंदाने हातातील फाईल घराच्या किल्ल्यासकट गवंड्याकडे सोपवतो आणि आनंदाने म्हणतो की हे नवे घर तुझ्या नावावर करणारी ही कागदपत्रे आहेत. हे घर तुझे आहे. मी ते तुला भेट म्हणून देण्याचे ठरवलेले होते. ओके फ्रेंड्स, द लेसन द हाऊस बिल्डर फोकसेस ऑन द ऑनेस्ट अँड द सिन्सिअर वर्क ऑफ अ मेसन. द मेसन बिल्ड्स न्यू हाऊसेस ऑनेस्टली इन हिज लाईफ, इन हिज एंटायर लाईफ. मित्रांनो, हा धडा एक प्रामाणिक गवंडी आपल्या संपूर्ण आयुष्यामध्ये प्रामाणिकपणे कसे काम करतो यावर प्रकाश टाकतो. फ्रेंड्स, आय थिंक you have understood this lesson very well. Requesting all of you to read this lesson again and again for your better understanding. Okay friends, I hope you will read and study. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.